Let's be real, sitting in economy for 10 plus hours is not fun. Your back hurts, your legs feel numb, and there's always that one passenger who thinks your armrest is theirs. But here's the truth. You don't have to suffer just because you didn't buy a business class ticket. I'm about to share 14 smart hacks that will make long flights so much easier. These are tricks most people don't even know. And if you missed the last tip, you could end up in the worst seat on the whole plane. So watch until the end, hit that like button if you've ever been stuck in seat 43B, and let's make your next flight something you can survive, maybe even enjoy. 14. Choose the middle aisle seat on big planes. Most travelers rush to grab an aisle seat on the side of the plane. But on large planes with a 3-4-3 layout, the smarter choice is the middle aisle seat in the center block. Why? Because the person next to you can get out on either side, so they don't always need to step over you. This means fewer interruptions, especially when you're trying to sleep. The middle section also has less people walking past, so you're not constantly bumped by passengers or crew. Another bonus, you usually feel less turbulence here than at the back or far sides of the plane. To make it even better, choose a row toward the back of the middle section. That way, you're close to bathrooms and the galley, but not so close that the noise disturbs you. It's the perfect balance. Good access without the foot traffic. This seat choice can make a huge difference in comfort, giving you a calmer flight, fewer wake-ups, and even better sleep. 13. Carry a fresh kit for landing. After a long flight, the airplane air leaves you feeling dry, sticky, and tired. That's where a fresh kit comes in. This is a small pouch with items that make you feel human again before you land. Pack a toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, moisturizer, lip balm, facial wipes, and a clean t-shirt or underwear. Use this kit during the last 30 to 45 minutes of the flight. Brush your teeth, clean your face, put on fresh deodorant, and change your shirt if needed. If you want an extra boost, carry a tiny spray bottle of water to mist your face. This instantly wakes you up and makes you look refreshed. This habit is perfect if you have to meet someone, attend a meeting, or go straight to work after landing. Even if you're just heading to your hotel, you'll feel cleaner and more comfortable. Long flights are tiring, but a few minutes spent freshening up makes a huge difference in how you look and feel. It's one of those small habits seasoned travelers swear by, and once you try it, you'll never want to land without it. 12. Say no to the free drink trap. That free glass of wine or whiskey during your flight may look tempting, but it's not your friend. Alcohol makes your body dry faster, messes with your sleep, and makes jet lag worse. Even one drink can leave you with dry skin, a heavy head, and low energy when you land. The dry cabin air already takes moisture from your body, so alcohol only adds to the problem. Instead, pack some electrolyte powder or tea bags and ask the crew for water or hot water. This keeps you hydrated, helps you sleep better, and makes you feel fresher when you arrive. If you want to relax your muscles without a hangover, try magnesium before or during the flight. It helps you feel calm and comfortable. You can enjoy your favorite drink once you're at your hotel or final destination, where you can rest properly. 11. Buckle over the blanket. Here's a small trick that makes a big difference for sleep on flights. Always buckle your seatbelt over the blanket, not under it. If turbulence happens and the seatbelt sign comes on, the crew can see you're buckled without waking you up. This means you can sleep longer without interruptions. It sounds simple, but if you've been woken up just to prove your seatbelt is on, you know how annoying it is. Pair this trick with an eye mask to block light and noise-canceling headphones or earplugs to block sound. This setup helps you get deeper rest, especially on overnight flights. You can even tuck a small pillow or rolled-up hoodie behind your lower back for extra support. The more comfortable you are, the easier it is to stay asleep. On long flights, even an extra 30 to 60 minutes of uninterrupted rest can make you feel much better when you land. 10. Check seat maps before you fly. One of the easiest ways to avoid a bad seat is to check the seat map before you fly. Use websites like SeatGuru or the airline's own map. These tools show you where the best and worst seats are. You'll see which seats have limited recline, no windows, broken screens, or are right next to toilets. You can also find out where the power outlets are and which rows have extra legroom. This is important because once you board, you can't change your seat unless there's space. Spending just 5 minutes checking could save you hours of discomfort. If you like keeping a bag under your seat, avoid the first row of any section because those seats often have no under-seat storage. Also, look for reviews from other travelers about the exact plane you're flying on. Some planes are older and certain seats may have problems like broken tray tables or noisy areas. Choosing a seat without checking is like buying shoes without trying them on. You might regret it later. Be smart, plan ahead, and your flight will already be more comfortable before you even step on the plane. 9. Bring a wide-mouth thermos. Forget the foldable water bottle. Bring a wide-mouth thermos instead. It's more useful and makes flying easier. A thermos keeps drinks hot or cold for hours, so you can enjoy them anytime. On the plane, the cups they give you are small, and you have to wait for the drink cart to come around. With a thermos, you can ask the crew for hot water and make tea, coffee, or even oatmeal. If your seatmate falls asleep and blocks you from the drinks, no problem. You already have your drink with you. The wide opening also makes it easier to add ice or stir in powders like electrolytes or instant coffee. If the airline won't fill it directly, just pour from the cup they give you into your thermos. It's safer too, no spills on your lap when turbulence hits. Plus, you'll waste less plastic by not using extra cups. A good thermos is light, leak-proof, and fits in your seat pocket or bag. It's a small thing that makes a big difference on long flights, keeping you hydrated, warm, and comfortable the whole way. 8. Pack a small seat bag. Many people put all their things in the overhead bin, then have to keep getting up to grab what they need. That's tiring and disturbs other passengers. Instead, pack a small seat bag. This is a pouch or a mini backpack with just the essentials you'll need during the flight, like headphones, phone charger, snacks, lip balm, hand sanitizer, a neck pillow, and wipes. Before boarding, pull this bag out from your bigger carry-on and keep it under the seat in front of you. This way you have everything close by without having to stand up every time. A seat bag also keeps your space neat and organized, so you're not digging around in pockets or under the seat. If you're flying overnight, add an eye mask, earplugs, and socks to the bag so you can get comfortable quickly. It's also helpful during boarding when the aisles are crowded, so you can put your main bag up top and just sit down with your small one. Once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever managed a long flight without it.
7. Dress in layers. Flying can feel like a roller coaster of temperatures, sometimes freezing cold, other times too warm. The best way to stay comfortable is to dress in layers. Wear soft, loose clothes like cotton or merino wool that let your skin breathe. Bring a hoodie or light jacket that you can take off or put on as needed. This extra layer can also be rolled up into a pillow for your neck or lower back. Wear compression socks to help your blood flow and prevent swelling in your feet and legs. They might not look stylish, but they'll keep you feeling better when you land. Another trick is to wear your bulkiest clothes on the plane. This saves space in your bag and keeps you warmer if the cabin gets cold. Avoid tight jeans, stiff shirts, or anything that might pinch after hours of sitting. They'll only make you uncomfortable. If you can move easily in your clothes and adjust your layers to the temperature, your flight will be much more pleasant. Comfort beats fashion at 35,000 feet, so think smart when choosing your travel outfit. 6. Save something fun for the flight. Make your flight feel like something you want to do, not just something you have to survive. The trick is to save something fun only for the plane. This could be a new TV show, a movie you've been waiting to watch, a great podcast, or even a book you're excited about. When you save it just for the flight, your brain starts linking travel time with enjoyment instead of boredom. Time passes much faster when you're focused on something you enjoy. Pair your entertainment with a favorite snack or drink to make it feel like a little treat. Always download your shows, movies, or music before you fly in case the plane's entertainment screen is broken or doesn't have what you like. Use headphones you're comfortable wearing for hours, not cheap earbuds that hurt your ears. If you make flying fun time with saved entertainment and snacks, you'll look forward to boarding instead of dreading it. It's a simple mindset shift that can make even the longest economy flights feel shorter. 5. Don't count on a charging port. In 2025, you might think every plane has charging ports, but that's not true. Some seats have USB-A ports, some have USB-C, and some have nothing at all. Even if your seat has a port, it might be broken, or you may have to share it with your seatmate. The last thing you want is your phone or tablet dying mid-flight, especially if all your shows, music, and boarding passes are on it. Always bring a small, fully charged power bank that can charge your phone at least once or twice. Pack a cable that works with both USB-A and USB-C ports, or bring an adapter so you're ready for any type. Keep your devices in airplane mode to save battery and dim the screen to make it last longer. If you rely on your phone for entertainment, maps, or important travel details, having backup power is not just smart, it's essential. A dead device on a long flight can make the hours drag. With a power bank in your bag, you stay in control.
4. Upgrade your sleep setup. Good sleep in economy class is possible if you plan ahead. Those big U-shaped neck pillows from airport shops look nice but don't work well. Instead, bring a small, inflatable travel pillow that supports your chin so your head doesn't fall forward while you sleep. Use a rolled-up hoodie or small cushion for lower back support to keep your spine comfortable. For your feet, an inflatable footrest works wonders. It helps with blood flow and reduces swelling. If you don't have one, a half-inflated beach ball can do the same job. An eye mask is great for blocking cabin lights, while earplugs or noise-canceling headphones cut out engine noise and chatter. Wear soft, loose clothes so you can move easily in your seat. The better your sleep setup, the more rested you'll feel when you land. Even a couple of hours of deep rest can make a huge difference to your mood and energy. Treat your comfort like it's part of your ticket. It's worth the small effort. Eat when you want. Airline meal times are set for the cruise schedule, not your body's needs. Sometimes they serve food when you're not hungry or just falling asleep. Instead of relying only on plain meals, bring your own snacks and eat when it works for you. This can help keep your energy steady during the flight and even reduce jet lag. If you eat according to the time zone of your destination, your body can start adjusting before you land. Pack simple, easy-to-carry snacks like protein bars, nuts, crackers, or fruit. Avoid anything with strong smells. It's not fair to other passengers. You can still eat the airline meal if you want, but you're not forced to wake up or eat at a time that doesn't feel right. Having your own food means you're in control. Plus, you avoid the risk of being served something you don't like or can't eat. Eating when you want is a small habit that makes a long flight much more comfortable. 2. Move every hour. Sitting still for too long can make you stiff, tired, and even cause swelling in your legs and feet. On long flights, aim to move at least once an hour. You don't have to make it a big workout. Just stand up, walk down the aisle, or do simple stretches. In your seat, you can roll your ankles, stretch your arms, or gently twist your back. This helps keep your blood moving and prevents aches. If you're worried about disturbing your seatmates, choose moments when they're awake or when the aisle is clear. Staying still for too long can also increase the risk of blood clots, especially on flights over 8 hours. Wearing compression socks can help with circulation. Moving a little each hour will make you feel fresher and less tired when you land. It's one of the easiest things you can do for your health during a flight. 1. Book smart, not just cheap. The cheapest ticket isn't always the best deal. Before booking, check details like the type of plane, the seat layout, and how full the flight usually is. Newer planes often have better seats, more legroom, higher humidity, and better air quality, which means you'll feel less tired after flying. Some flights are less busy, giving you a chance at an empty seat next to you. Also check the flight times. Arriving in the evening or morning can make a big difference to how well you adjust to a new time zone. Use seat maps to avoid bad spots, and check reviews from other travelers to know what to expect. Spending a little more for a better seat or a better plane can be worth it on a long flight. Comfort matters more than saving a small amount of money when you'll be sitting for 10 or more hours. Think of it as an investment in a smoother trip. Thanks for flying through these tips with me. Now you're ready to survive any long haul like a pro. Click on the next video before your boarding call because the more travel hacks are still waiting for you there.